World Education Eagles family really want to appreciate you guys for this interview. And we do have a couple of questions, and I hope my viewers are going to enjoy this session with you guys. So my first question is like, first you tell a little bit, about yourself, about your school, and then we'll come to other things.
Okay, so we're from Abu Dhabi, that is UAE, United Arab Emirates, and we study in Abu Dhabi Indian School, Branch 1. So we've been studying here in the school past 5 or 6 years, since our 6th grade, and we are with the school with the same teachers, the same family, and have been enjoying with all of them.
Great.
Yes.
How about you, Vaishnavi?
Yes, we are currently in 11th, so after our 10th and 11th, half the session is over. It's same teachers passed from, I think, 5 or 6 years, as he has said. We had joined in the school, I think, in 2015. From then, it's like a very nice school. We had enjoyed a lot of programs were conducted. So, like, it's a very nice school.
That's great, that's great. So, before examination, you thought of this percentage, like 94%, and like both of you are going to have almost same percent.
No, exactly. We just thought of, like, we wanted above 90%. That was our score, like our goal basically. But then getting same grade, like 94%, like somewhat the average is the same, 94. So it was like a coincidence, you can say. We never thought of that actually.
Okay. So, what about your favorite subject? Which one is your favorite? Like you are enjoying actually?
I do enjoy maths. I love doing maths basically. I love solving it because you find quite hard questions, interesting questions you should say, because when I get some new question, I start pondering on it, like how do you solve it, and stay to it like for a week or 2 weeks, so that I get to the solution, like, do it myself. And so that's what makes maths a good subject, like a loving subject for me.
And who teaches you mathematics in school?
Ramya ma'am, Ramya Shrikumar.
Okay. How about you, Vaishnavi?
It's like two, math and science. Science basically more forward towards chemistry and physics, somewhat more chemistry, I would say. Chemistry is like full of equations, chemical reactions and all, so like I like that part. And math is interesting because if you see in math you can solve any equation in any way. So like in our school, our teacher taught one way, we can find new ways to find the answer. So like I like that part more.
Great, great. And what about your sports? Which sports do you like the most?
I like the most is badminton and football. I would say more badminton. So like I have scored first place in badminton in my category from I think last 2 to 3 years. Football not that much, but I don't we don't have more competition for football. But then I like to play football.
Great. How about you, Prem?
For me, I love swimming. I love swimming because it is water polo, swimming games, all those swimming stuff.
Okay. So, how you used to do board preparation, after school? How much time you used to spend, and like, what was your strategy?
I would say our strategy was nothing but an ordinary strategy. There was nothing new or something extraordinary that we followed. But we did have like 1 to 2 hours a day that we followed in weekdays. Because of schools, we couldn't have a different, because of school, we go to school from 6 to 3:30 because our school is far from our home. So we have traveling time and all those. So we have like 1 to 2 hours a day for weekdays, and then we have school work. So we can only accommodate 1 to 2 hours a day for studying regularly. For weekends, we do a little bit more, like 2 hours or something, 2.5 hours or 3 hours, 4 hours, something like that, so that we can cover up a major portion of the day, of the week. And also, one thing is that we used to revise everything in that Saturday, because everything whatever we did in that week, we revised it on Saturday so that we wouldn't forget it easily. So that was our strategy.
Okay. And apart from this, like your studies and all, like which extra co-curricular activity you used to participate? Because generally whenever we do have board examinations, so we focus on studies, academic stuff more. So what extra co-curricular activity where you participated? Maybe sports, maybe art, maybe few competitions, so like in your grade 10, where actually you did spend your time for all these things?
So as you said, like 10th, we have to focus more on our studies. That was there. Like we had to restrict ourselves, more focus on studies. So basically, we had everyone. We had participated last year in 10th grade only. Then we had many debate competitions which were conducted in our school. So with that, we had, I think one was in, I'm not sure about, I think it was a Prague competition and inter-school competition. In that we had participated. So like it was extra so that we could deviate our mind and then again focus on our studies.
Okay. Yeah, because we need some fun, because anything you do, brain also needs to rest. So doing something extracurricular, not related to studies, like anyone, it's like debating. So having a little fun, talking, so that freshens up your mind. It enhances learning capacity itself. So we attended the World Education events and the event which we did quite well. Yeah, so that helps to enhance the learning capacity.
That's great. So, what actually you want to say for grade 9 now, because they do have, a board exam. So do you have any suggestions for them?
Yeah. Okay. So I would suggest them to not get stressed up that much. Do a meditation session or something sort of that just 1 month before the exam, so that they start de-stressing themselves. As well as they should not think that they won't be able to perform well. Rather, they should have that confidence, but not overconfidence, that they will be scoring well, and they should keep working regularly, not at the end of the day, like at the end of the year.
I would say that, basically everyone, even we felt when we came in grade 10 that it's bored, to focus a lot, completely give your full attention towards studies and all. It's not like that. You have everyone should think that it's normal exam, but you have to focus more to get your percentage, because in this percentage matters. So you have to have a regular studying, not like last month as he said, not the 1 month before the board exam is start preparing. That's not going to work. So it's constant studying is required, and you can have extracurriculum. You can go play with your friends. You can de-stress yourself. This will also help you in learning. That's it.
One last question. Actually, principal is leading, a school, a great leader always. So, what do you want to say about your school principal?
I would say that. I would say that she has played a major role helping us, all the students, perform well in their subjects. She has helped us to perform well in the sense she kept extra classes even during summer vacation, so that we could have more time with our teachers. We could clear our doubts, we could understand and clear all the concepts which should come, and so hence we could answer any of the question. If a concept is clear, we can answer any question. She's also played a major role as being a role model by forcing us, or not forcing, by advising us to not use social media, which is quite often these days, by influencing us in a positive manner, which should force me to dedicate this good marks to her, because she's the one who is the force behind us.
Great.
I would say that our principal, for us, she was every time there. She asked us, we had frequent meetings with her, our class and the whole 10th grade basically. That she motivated us. She asked us what you're facing in 10th grade. She solved our problems. She gave us few exams. In exams, we wanted more extension in our dates. We got that permission from her. So she was like a force which actually helped us, heard our concerns, solved our problems. So she had a big part in us scoring marks.
That's great. So thank you so much that both of you actually accepted invitation from World Education Events, and this video is certainly going to inspire so many other students, grade 9, now they are in grade 10. So of course they'll have motivation from this video, and all the best for your future endeavor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.